Howdy folks, General back to you. Fixing to give you another tool. You need 2 pairs of vice grips. Now you can make this out of the small ones or the big ones. Whatever floats your boat. Depends on how big of stuff you're using. This is good for 1/4 inch up to about 1/2 inch or 3/4 plywood or thin metal. I wouldn't go real heavy with it. Go to the next size up on the vice grips. That's a piece of angle iron right there. And this is a piece of 1/4 inch round rod right here by my little finger. That secures those parallel with each other. And that's welded to 2 places on the clamp. It has to be rigid. Has to. Okay? Now I'm going to set it up and show you how to use it. So it's going to be a little bit of racket. All right. Get the old trusty goggles, earplugs, gloves. I don't do diddly squat without my PPE. Because I like me. All right. Now, I cut that halfway, or at least 6 inches here. Now, split the difference on it. Okay? That way you got a clamp on each side of it. I'll bring this down here where you can see what I've got. It's cut to here. Okay. All right. Now, you notice that didn't fall. And I was holding it on this side. And we'll flip one side off and safely remove that board. Nothing jumps. Everything's rigid. This piece stays on the table. This piece right here didn't fall. Then you take that off, and that's what you got. You can use that on sheet metal. If you're shearing, or if you're cutting this, or you're cutting sheet metal, or you cutting up to 1/4 inch steel with these. And then to go to the next size up, you know, the bigger clamps. Still want to use this same type thing here. You can still get by with 1/8 1x1 angle iron and 1/4 round rod here. Make sure you got them parallel. Now, somebody needs to take that and patent it, because it is not on the market. I have looked. I hadn't done patent searches, but I have looked, and it is not on the market. It needs to be on the market. A lot of folks don't know how to do design work like that. They go to the store and get it. There's a small percentage of us that does the design work. There's an even smaller percentage of those that know how to patent the stuff and got the moxie and the balls to do it. And I never have found anybody that I could pair up with. I usually just give it to the company that I worked for. Ain't no telling how many millions of dollars worth of stuff that they got now. But I'm giving that to y'all. Y'all take it and patent it. And put it in the comment if you do. Let me know it's going to be on the shelves, and I'll look for it. I love everybody. Y'all like and subscribe. Hit the bell, make comments. And it's General. I'm out.